Now the question is, if the parabola y square equals 4ax and y square equals 4c x minus b have a common normal other than x-axis and b upon a minus c is greater than k, we need to find this value of k. Now we can write equation of normal for this parabola. So for this parabola, equation of normal will be y equals mx minus am cube minus 2am. Now we can write equation of normal to this parabola also. So it will be y equals m. Now in place of x, we'll write x minus b. And then minus, now a here is c, so it will be cm cube minus 2cm. Now we have a common normal. So that means these two equations, they represent the same line. So if we'll compare the constant terms, we'll write minus am cube minus 2am is equal to minus bm minus c m cube minus 2cm. Now what we'll do is, we'll take these terms of m cube together and we'll take terms of m together. So we can write this as a minus c m cube, and it is equal to 2c minus 2a plus b into m. So now here one of the values m equals to 0, but there'll be x-axis. So we need roots other than x-axis. So we can write this as a minus c m square, and this is equal to 2 times c minus a plus b. So value of m here should be plus minus under root of 2 c minus a plus b upon a minus c. So we can write this as plus minus under root of b upon a minus c minus 2. Now in order to have a common normal, this value of m, it should be real. So it is real when b upon a minus c minus 2, it is greater than 0. So that means b upon a minus c, it should be greater than 2. So the value of k here is 2. Now here the question is, if the two different tangents of y square equals 4x are normal to x square equals 4ky and 8k square is less than alpha, we need to find the value of alpha. Now for this first form, we know that equation of tangent is given by y equals mx plus a by m, and a in this case is 1, so it will be simply y equals mx plus 1 by m. And in one of the previous videos, we have also discussed how to write equation of normal for this third form. So equation of normal to this third form in terms of slope is given by y equals mx plus a by m square plus 2a. Now a in this case is k, so it will be k by m square plus 2k. Now the question says these two different tangents are actually normals to this parabola. So that means these two equations, they represent the same lines. So if they represent the same line, then their constant term, they must be same. So we'll compare their constant terms. We can write 1 upon m, and it should be equal to k upon m square plus 2k. So we can write this equation as m equals k plus 2k into m square. So it will be 2k m square minus m and then plus k equals to 0. Now it says two different tangents can be drawn. So that means this equation should have two real roots. That is, value of d should be greater than 0. So if we'll find d, it will be 1 minus 4 and it will be 2k square. It should be greater than 0. That is 8k square should be less than 1. So now in the question it says 8k square is less than alpha. So that means value of alpha is simply 1. Now here the question is, the tangent PT and the normal PN to parabola y square equals 4ax at any point P on it meets the x-axis at points T and N. The locus of centroid of triangle PTN is a parabola whose vertex, directrix, latus, rectum and focus is which of the following, right? So we have this parabola which is y square equals 4ax. and on that we have any point P which is at square 2at. Now at this point P we have drawn a tangent which meets x-axis at some point t, and then we have also drawn a normal to it at this point P which intersects x-axis at point N. Now since it is a locus problem, first thing is identify the points. We'll need to find locus of this centroid. So let this point be alpha comma beta. Now we know that equation of tangent at this point P is given by ty equals x plus at square. We'll need to find its point of intersection with x-axis. So for x-axis we'll put y as 0. So we'll get x as minus at square. So this point t will be minus at square comma 0. Now equation of normal to this parabola will be y plus tx equals at cube plus 2at. Now again this point N, it lies on x-axis. Again we'll put y as 0. Now here we'll get x as at square plus 2a. So this point N will be at square plus 2a comma 0. Now we'll need to find centroid of this triangle. So this alpha will be at square minus at square plus at square plus 2a. So it will be at square plus 2a by 3, and then we'll also find beta. Now beta in this case will be 280 upon 3. So 280 upon 3. Now we can eliminate this t. So we can write this equation as 3 alpha equals a. Now in place of t we can write 3 beta upon 2a. So there will be 9 beta square upon 4a square plus 2a. Now here a and a, it will cancel. So we can write this equation as 9 beta square upon 4a, and this is equal to 3 alpha minus 2a. So we can rewrite this equation as beta square equals 4a by 3 and alpha minus 2a by 3. Now in the end we'll change beta with y and alpha with x. So this locus will be y square equals 4a by 3 and then x minus 2a by 3. Now we'll compare it with the standard equation which is y square equals 4a capital X. Now here value of a is a by 3 and capital X is x minus 2a by 3. Now the first thing is its vertex. Now vertex is at capital X equals 0 and capital Y equals 0. Capital X is x minus 2a by 3 and capital Y is same as small y. So it will be at 2a by 3 comma 0. So that's your option number A. Second is focus. Now we know that for the first form focus is a comma 0. So capital X is a and capital Y is 0. So capital X is x minus 2a by 3 is equal to a by 3 and capital Y is small y. So it will be simply a comma 0. So focus is at a comma 0. Now what's latest rectum? Latest rectum is 4a. So 4a simply will be 4a by 3. So in this case, option number C is incorrect. And now we need to find equation of directrix. So equation of directrix is capital X equals minus a. So it will be x minus 2a by 3 is equal to minus a by 3. So its equation will be x equals a by 3. So option B is incorrect. So the correct options are option A and D. Now here the question is, let A, R, S, T be non-zero real numbers. Let P, Q, R and S be distinct points on parabola y square equals 4ax such that PQ is a focal chord and lines QR and PK, they are parallel where K is a point 2a comma 0. First thing is we'll need to find value of R. So first we'll draw this parabola. Now it says PQ is a focal chord. So we'll draw this PQ. So this is P and this is Q. This is focus, which is a comma 0. It says P is at square 280, and we know that in case of a focal chord T1 into T2 is -1. So we can write coordinate of Q as a upon t square minus 2a upon t. Now it says we have another point r such that QR is parallel to PK. Now K is a point which is at 2a comma 0. So we have this line PK and it says a point R is on this parabola such that this QR is parallel to PK. So first we'll find slope of PK. Now slope of PK simply will be 2at upon at square minus 2a. So we'll cancel this a. So it will be 2t upon t square minus 2. And then we'll also find slope of QR. Now this r, it is given as ar square and 2ar. Now slope of QR, it will be 2ar minus plus 2a upon t divided by ar square minus a upon t square. So now here we'll cancel a. So we'll get 2 r plus 1 upon t, and here we'll get r square minus 1 upon t square. So it'll be a plus b, a minus b. So it'll be r plus 1 upon t and r minus 1 upon t. So it'll cancel. So we'll get this as 2 upon r minus 1 upon t. Now they are parallel. So we'll equate them. So we'll write 2t upon t square minus 2. It is equal to 2 upon r minus 1 upon t. Now this 2 will cancel. T into r minus 1, and this is t square minus 2. Value of r should be t square minus 1 upon t, and that's your option number D. Now the second question is, if s into t is 1, then the tangent at P and the normal at S to parabola meet at a point whose ordinate is. So now we'll write equation of tangent at point P. So equation of tangent at point P is given by ty equals x plus at square, and equation of normal at any point S, it is y plus, now for S, its parameter is S. So it will be y plus S into x plus at cube plus 2at. So it will be a s cube plus 2as. Now it is given that s into t is 1. So we'll multiply it with t. So we'll write ty. Now s into t is 1. So it will be ty plus x. And here it will be a s square plus 2a. Now we'll need to find ordinate of this point of intersection. So we have to eliminate this x. So we'll add these two equations. So we'll add these two equations. X will cancel. So we'll write 2ty, and this is at square plus as square plus 2a. Now here we'll take a common and we'll write s as 1 upon t. So we can write this as 2ty, and this is a, and it'll be t plus 1 upon t whole square. So its y coordinate will be a t square plus 1 whole square, and then it'll be 2t cube, and that's your option number B. Now in this video we'll need to find point of intersection of two normals. We know that equation of normal to a parabola, we can write it as y plus t1x equals a t1 cube plus 2at1, and we can write other equation of normal in terms of parameter, say t2. So y plus t2x equals a t2 cube plus twice a t2. Now we'll subtract this second equation from first. We can write t1 minus t2x, and this is a. It is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube will be a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, and then plus 2a t1 minus t2. Now we'll cancel t1 minus t2. Now t1 and t2, they cannot be equal, because in that case we'll have same equation. So we need two different equations. So its x coordinate will be a and t1 square plus t2 square plus t1 t2 plus 2. And if we'll put the value of x in this equation, and if we'll put the value of x in any one equation, we'll get the value of y. So y plus a will be t1 cube plus t1 t2 square t1 square t2 plus 2t1, and it is a t1 cube plus 2a t1. Now a t1 cube will cancel and 2a t1 will also cancel. We'll get this y coordinate as minus a, and then we'll take t1 t2 common and it'll be t1 plus t2. So point of intersection of two normals will be a t1 square plus t2 square plus t1 t2 plus 2 comma minus a t1 t2 and t1 plus t2. So that is the point of intersection of two normals of a parabola.